Today, you will learn how to rotate pages in a PDF file permanently and save the changes. And yes, this method is 100% free. First, open any internet browser. Now go to Google. In the search box, type Organize PDF. Press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, open the I Love PDF website. When the website opens, click the button that says Select PDF Files. A window will open on your screen. Go to the place where your PDF file is saved. Select the PDF file and click Open. Please wait a few seconds while the file uploads. After uploading, you will see small page previews on the screen. Move your mouse over any page. You will see a rotate arrow icon. Click this arrow to rotate the page 90 degrees. You can click the arrow again if you want to rotate it more. After rotating the pages you want, click Organize PDF. Please wait a moment. Okay, it's done. Now click Download File to save the rotated PDF to your computer. If you want to rotate all pages at the same time or rotate multiple PDF files, follow these steps. Go back to Google, type Rotate PDF and press Enter. Open I Love PDF's Rotate PDF tool. Click Select PDF File and upload your document. On the side menu, choose how you want to rotate: all pages, portrait pages, landscape pages. Now choose the rotation direction: right, left. On the left side, you can see a live preview of your PDF. When everything looks good, click Rotate PDF. Please wait a moment. Okay, it's done. Now click Download File to save your PDF. That's it. You have successfully rotated PDF pages permanently and saved the changes for free. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more easy PDF tutorials. Thanks for watching.